Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new slide to your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on this plus icon down below, which is the second icon, and select a template that you would like to use. Click on it. And now as you can see, there is this first slide to which you need to add the title of your presentation and the subtitle. So double tap into this box to type it in. And then if you are done with it and would like to insert a new slide, tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen in the right side. So now you have added several slides. As you can see, feel free to insert as many as you wish. You can get rid of the particular slide by tapping on it and then clicking on the delete button. And you can also change their order by simply tapping on the relevant slide and then swiping it to the right or left side of the screen, so you can change their order quite easily. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.